how to fix TikTok video visibility issues quickly. So if you want to fix your TikTok video visibility issues quickly, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, you need to just go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right. And from the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then you need to go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you will have a privacy section. Tap on privacy. And under privacy, make sure that the private account is turned off, which is on the first option. If it's on, only approved followers can see your videos. Next, you need to check the individual video. Tap on a video, which will be on your profile. Then you can go with the 3 dots, which will be on the bottom. Scroll to the privacy. And under privacy settings, you need to tap on it. And make sure who can watch this video is set to everyone, not only me. If it's still not working, then let's clear the cache. You need to exit your TikTok and then go to your phone settings, or you can also just simply go from the application itself. Tap and hold on to the application for a few seconds and then go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and under storage and cache, you'll have clear cache option. Just go and clear your cache. Now, this will fix your issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.